Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video we are going to discuss on how we can estimate the number of risers or treads in a dogleg or half U-turn stairs. Okay, so it is very much difficult where you are doing a job in construction field, especially for freshers engineers or construction workers, to decide how many numbers of steps or treads or risers are required for a specific staircase. Okay, so as per your convenience, I have taken a sample of a dog leg staircase. As you can see, dog leg staircase or U-turn staircase. The staircase must will look like this. Okay, this one. As you can see in this picture, here the brick wall is surrounded by this dog leg staircase. Okay, and the staircase having these are the steps or treads, we can say. These are the steps and this is the landing. So this step is usually we can use for achieving the height from ground floor to first floor, or say first floor to second floor, and so on. Okay, so as per our building drawing, we having the intention to find out the number of risers and number of steps required for a specific height of a building. Okay, so our main motive is to find out the height of mid landing, okay, number of risers and number of treads, and as well as pitch angle, because this pitch angle must realize within 25 to 40 degrees, because the higher the pitch angle, the lower the comfort of the achieving the elevation. Okay, so you should have to maintain the pitch angle between 25 to 40 degrees for smooth achieving the elevation or your floor height. Okay, so I have made this calculation in a spreadsheet. This will be shared to you if you want. Okay, I will provide it in the description box where you can easily download it. Okay, so just you need to put the some data like floor to floor height, tread length. So tread width or steps width we have to also consider. What should be the riser height we have to also take into consideration. Then flight thickness we have to consider. Okay, flight thickness means this is the landing. Okay, so landing slab having some thickness, so as per your design you have to calculate that. Okay, and this is the flight thickness. Flight means waist slab thickness we have to consider, so this thickness we have to incorporate in this data sheet. Okay, this is the landing and this is the mid landing. Okay, these are the waist slab thickness, and as you can see, orange marking numbers are the numbers of treads and white markings of numbers are denoting as number of risers. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and so on. So as per our design or as per our calculation, it will show how many numbers of risers and how many treads must be provided there, as well as the pitch angle. What should be the pitch angle we can calculate easily. Okay, so here is the formula chart. By this you can easily calculate the distance from the wall to ground floor landing. Okay, na? Wall to landing width dimension we can easily calculate. Okay, so just you have to put the floor to floor height. Suppose we are having the floor to floor height as 2.7. okay, 2.7 meter. As you can see, the floor to floor height is showing as 2.7 meter, and the tread length we are taking here is 1.2. suppose we are having the tread length of 1.1 meter. Okay, so 1.1 meter is showing here, and the tread width of 2.5 meter. So remember that the width of tread shall be between 0.25 to 0.3 meter always. Okay, So here I am taking suppose 0.3. Okay, so 0.3 I am taking here, trade width as 0.3 meter, and riser height of, sorry, here also for riser shall be range between 0.15 to 0.2 meter. So riser height I am considering as 0.16 meter. Okay, just for your calculation I can also take it as 0.15. It is most usable. Okay, next the flight thickness we have to consider. So flight thickness we are taking as 0.125 or 125 millimeter of slab thickness, and landing thickness is also same because you have to maintain that slab thickness also. Okay, so landing length must be 2.2 meter. Here you can see the total landing length is incorporated as 2.2 meter. Trade length equals to 1.1 meter. So all the data we have incorporated. Now we can see the result that height of mid landing is 1.35 meter. So here the height of mid landing is 1.3 meter. As you can see, this is the height of mid landing. Okay, 1.35 meter, and number of risers here is 9. So total for each flight we have to take the number of risers as 9, 1 2 3 4 and so on, and the number of trades we have to consider as 8. Okay, so always remember that the number of risers are more than number of trades. Okay, so here is the pitch angle comes about 26.57 degrees. As you can see, the pitch angle is 26.57. That means this angle from here to here, the angle maintaining as 26.57 degrees, and the length from here to here, so this is the width from here to here is 2.4 meter. As you can see, I have also mentioned here that 2.4 meter. Okay, for your better understanding. So by this way you can easily calculate the number of risers or trades for a dog-leg staircase. So that's it about today. Just remember that you have to incorporate all these values here, and you can easily calculate the height of mid landing, number of risers, number of trades, pitch angle, and so on. Okay, so that's it about today. I think you have got some good information regarding this staircase modeling. So thank you for listening, and thank you for staying to this video. See you soon in the next one. Thank you all.